Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. Today's video is just a random one. I just wake up and I'm going to Northeast shop. I'm looking a little bit moody because I just wake up now. And let's show you what things we get in the Northeast shop daily. Now I'm in the Northeast shop. Just look around what we got here. Almost all the vegetables which we get there in Nagaland, we get from this shop. All the items that is available in Nagaland, it's also available in Northeast shop. So in Delhi, you will find many Northeast shops in each and every gully, streets. So this shop is in my location. It's just nearby, walkable distance from my home. I cannot mention all the items name. You just have a look, so you will get some idea. And each and every vegetables, it's like packed with a polythene, and they estimate the rate like 50 rupees each pack. Bamboo shoot hai, bamboo shoot. Mushroom hai, yeah, hai, सब कुछ. Where is it? Oh, here na. Oh, I found it. देखो गाइस, सब कुछ मिलता है घर पे. वहाँ पे क्या मिलता है, यहाँ पे सब कुछ है. Even the scope. What is this? Okay. गाइस, दूसरा वेजिटेबल्स तो घर पे ही था, इसलिए मैंने जो चाहिए वही लिया है. आज ये पोर्क है ½ किलो, क्योंकि आई एम एलोन, सो दिस इज़ मोर देन इनफ. वो भी बच जाएगा. और दिस इज़, इफ़ यू नो, दिस इज़ बैम्बू शूट, एंड दिस इज़ 50 rupees. I think this is some bitter type putti. I forgot the name. This one is also 50 rupees. This is jute, 50 rupees. Papaya 50 rupees. And tomato for 20 rupees 1 kilo. This time the price is very good for tomato. I never get 20 rupees 1 kilo, but this time I think the price is low for this. Today is my day off, so I will cook. Just thinking that I don't have anything to do, so just vlogging a cooking video. Without adding water, first clean it very nicely and put on the stove. Make it little bit crispy and take off that water after some time. That fat tail. If you didn't take that one, it will be very oily. So I will make like this, and I will take off that water. Then I will add tomato, bamboo shoot, garlic, and king chili, and this seed. I will make a paste and I will add it into the pork. Now everything is added. Let's cook for around 30 minutes more with little bit of water, and there is this. The other one is yam and jute, and this is green chili chutney. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye and take care. I will see you very soon.